Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's a rainy Wednesday, January 27. See, it's rainy here in American Samoa. I document almost every day the content. So be blessed every day. It's like when you wake up in the morning, you're still alive, you're healthy, you can go to work, spend time with the family. Let me turn on the AC. It's still cold because the weather is cold here now in American Samoa. So all my it's like when I upload a content over here, how can I say that, it takes up my in 24 hours I have at least 7 or 8 or 10 or 15 minutes from the 24 hours a day, and I put it on my YouTube. But anyway, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and wait for my next content. Mostly my content is of course at school, and that's all about it. So it's morning here in American Samoa, and see you around on the social media. Bye bye and babush.